Elite360 gives you the ability to send automated voicemails to potentially thousands and thousands of contacts at a single time. And I'm going to show you a quick way to do it and show you around our system a little bit. So I'm inside of our workflow and automation builder, and really we don't need a trigger for this one. What we're going to do is we're going to add an action, and we're going to go to voicemail. And what you're going to need to have is some sort of file that you've uploaded in your system that is an MP3 file. So this is an example of me sending a failed billing notification to our Elite360 customers.
Hey there, Ben Sturdivant here with Elite360. I am reaching out to you.
So obviously you don't need me to listen to that, but what this would do is automatically, as soon as I put someone into this, it would send that out. Now, I can set this up for triggers. In fact, with Elite360, we actually have that in place. We have it, if someone billing fails, it sends a trigger from our Stripe account and it automatically sends them that voicemail. So great system to use, right? It's a great way to connect with people. We also use voicemails for things like appointment reminders, welcoming them to our company, and so many other different ways. Our coaches have, specific voicemails that go out to their specific clients when they get assigned to them for the first time. Our onboarding process. We use voicemails a lot, and it's a great way to connect with people, but it can also be used to do a voicemail blast to your list. So let me show you how to do that. So if I go back into my contacts and I select, obviously this is just a demo account, but if I were to select all of these, this one doesn't have a phone number, so it wouldn't send to that. But what I would do is I would just come up here, click add to campaign workflow, proceed, choose which workflow I want to send them in, and there's the automated voicemail drop demo. Add to campaign. I'm going to give it an action name, voicemail demo broadcast. Add to campaign. Boom. And it's been sent out. Okay. So pretty soon, this lead, which is me essentially, is going to get an automated voicemail that comes through. Up, there it is. You can see it right there. So this left a voicemail.
Hey there, Ben Sturdivant.
So you see how that worked? Very, very cool. Very, very simple system to use. So we can do it with a blast, but we can also use it in our advanced automations like I showed you before. Now let me bring you into the Elite360 system and I'll show you exactly how we do this. Okay, so here we are in our subscription failed. So this is, if someone's subscription in an Elite360 fails, we put them into this workflow. They're going to get a text, they're going to get an email, it's going to wait 5 minutes, and then it's going to drop that voicemail that I shared with you. So this is one way. Another way we could use it is with our coaches, which I mentioned before. Let me show you that. So here's an example of one of our clients that came in. They're getting, congratulations, their appointment scheduled. They're going to get an automatic voicemail sent from the system. And this just allows us to bring a level of connection to our customers and our clients. We do this with leads. We use voicemail a lot. Personalization is very, very important in marketing. And if you're not using things like voicemail to connect and add that level of personalization to either your customers or your leads, then you're most likely missing out on some potential revenue. So there you go. That's an overview of our voicemail broadcast builder.